Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Did You Know? If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more content. In today's video, we will explore, and understanding the profound role of human sexuality in our lives is essential for personal well-being, healthy relationships, and the continuation of life itself. In this video, we'll explore the biological, emotional, and moral dimensions of sexuality, breaking down the barriers of taboo to foster knowledge and respect. Chapter 1. Sex. The happiness and well-being of humanity, both men and women, largely depend on addressing the complexities of human sexuality in a rational and informed manner. Sexuality is an intrinsic part of life that cannot be ignored. Among animals, sexual behavior serves a simpler, instinct-driven purpose: reproduction for the continuation of the species. However, human sexuality is far more intricate, influenced by psychological, social, moral, and religious factors, as well as external elements such as climate, economic conditions, lifestyle, and personal habits. In humans, sexual love emerges as a uniquely evolved expression of the natural sex drive, deepening the emotional and relational aspects of this fundamental urge. While the primary biological purpose of sexuality remains reproduction, its psychological and social dimensions make it a more complex phenomenon in human life. To navigate this complexity effectively, individuals need basic knowledge about sexuality. Unfortunately, cultural taboos often lead to misinformation or silence, leaving many young people to view sex as a subject of shame or impropriety. This secrecy fosters misunderstanding and can hinder the healthy integration of sexuality into life. Sexual functions, when understood and properly managed, are neither obscene nor shameful. They are natural processes with significant roles in personal and societal development. Open and honest education about sexuality, delivered in a responsible manner, empowers individuals to approach these matters with knowledge and respect, ensuring healthier and happier relationships and communities. The biological basis of life. All living beings follow a universal law. They undergo growth, reproduction, and eventually physical death. Though death marks the end of an individual organism, it does not signify the end of life. Through reproduction, living beings continue their existence in the form of their offspring. This process begins at the cellular level, where life is sustained and perpetuated through specialized cells known as germ cells. These cells, observed under a microscope, are highly complex and carry the essential material for the continuation of life. Even among the simplest organisms, reproduction often involves cell division or budding, processes that create new life. In more complex beings, including plants, animals, and humans, reproduction relies on specialized reproductive systems. These systems allow for the transfer of genetic material, ensuring that life continues in forms remarkably similar to the parent organisms. In this way, reproduction serves as a bridge between generations, preserving the physical and genetic legacy of life. The evolution of complexity, as life progresses from simple, single-celled organisms to highly complex beings, the structures and functions of these organisms also become more specialized. In plants, for example, distinct organs such as leaves, flowers, and roots fulfill specific roles. Similarly, animals develop specialized tissues and organs, such as muscles, nerves, and sensory systems, which work together to sustain life. Despite this complexity, some organisms retain simpler methods of reproduction, such as budding or asexual reproduction. In higher animals and humans, however, sexual reproduction becomes the primary mechanism for perpetuating the species. This involves the union of specialized cells from male and female reproductive systems, a process that embodies nature's intricate plan for life. The purpose of human sexuality. The primary purpose of human sexuality is the continuation of the species through reproduction. Beyond this biological function, human sexuality is deeply intertwined with emotional, moral, and social dimensions. While animals engage in reproduction as a natural instinct, humans bring consciousness, choice, and cultural significance to their sexual behaviors. This awareness necessitates careful and thoughtful education, particularly for young people, to ensure they understand the significance of sexuality as part of life's broader purpose. Parents play a crucial role in providing this education, offering guidance with sensitivity and respect. By introducing the basic principles of reproduction through analogies with plant and animal life, parents can demystify the topic and emphasize its natural and essential role. Importantly, discussions about human sexuality should underscore its moral and social implications, including the importance of commitment, responsibility, and the sanctity of marriage. Encouraging young people to channel their energy into meaningful pursuits, such as physical activity, education, and creative endeavors, helps foster a sense of self-discipline and respect for the role of sexuality in life. A strong foundation in these values often leads to healthier relationships and a deeper appreciation for the responsibilities associated with reproduction. A moral framework for sexuality. Sexuality is best expressed within the framework of marriage, where it can fulfill its dual purposes of emotional connection and reproduction in a stable and supportive environment. Prostitution and other forms of sexual exploitation deviate from these principles, undermining the true purpose of human sexuality. By promoting a culture of respect, commitment, and understanding, society ensures that the gift of human sexuality serves its highest purpose, the creation of life and the nurturing of enduring human connections. In conclusion, human sexuality is not merely a biological function, but a profound aspect of life that intersects with moral, emotional, and social dimensions. Through education, self-discipline, and respect for its deeper purposes, sexuality can become a source of happiness and fulfillment for individuals and a foundation for the well-being of future generations. Thank you for watching and taking this important journey with us. Stay tuned for Chapter 2, where we'll dive even deeper into this fascinating topic. See you in the next video.